What is up, guys? So today I want to talk about one of the best affiliate marketing courses, as well as one of the best Clickfunnels affiliate marketing courses. So this is one of the very best affiliate marketing courses I've come across. It's a really simple step-by-step process that literally any beginner can start making money off of in just within a couple of days, just by implementing the steps that are in this course. They seem really minute and basic. Some people underestimate them, but they're really powerful cases, really powerful strategies for somebody that's just taking action and implementing them just as they are taught. So you take the strategies, learn them, and take actionable steps towards those steps that you'll be taught. So this is a ClickFunnels and general affiliate marketing course that applies to affiliate marketing, any affiliate marketing that you have to do, as well as ClickFunnels in general, because this guy is more of a ClickFunnels affiliate marketer and some other high-end affiliate marketing programs that I'm not going to mention here due to security reasons. For whatever, I cannot disclose them right here because you have to find them. You have to find out for yourselves into the course once you join it. So this is called the Dream Car Profits course, taught by Caris. Gonna hear a little bit of his
Hey, what's
talk.
going on? My name's Caris, and over the last 2 years since I started doing affiliate marketing, I've been able to earn nearly $200,000 in commissions, leave my corporate finance job, and win one of the hardest awards to win in affiliate marketing in the Clickfunnels Dream Car. Now, I was able to do this without any list when I started. I had no audience, no following, and I had little to no affiliate marketing experience. I was able to achieve these results using 5 key strategies. Now, I've just put together a brand new course that's called Dream Car Profits, where I'm revealing these exact strategies. It's a full video training. I'm going to walk you through step by step the 5 strategies that I used to go from a complete nobody to nearly $200,000 in affiliate commissions and winning the dream car. Only 60 people have actually achieved that so far, and there's over 59,000 people in the Clickfunnels affiliate group. So what I've done is I've put together this training with my 5 core strategies. There's also a bonus strategy, which is insanely powerful, is crushing it at the moment, and very, very few people are actually using. Now, I spent thousands and thousands of dollars to learn and study and test and optimize all the strategies that you're going to get in this course today. I want to get this course in the hands of as many people as possible because these strategies are so powerful. They can be applied to any affiliate program, and if you take consistent action with them, you will get insane results. So right now you can get access to the Dream Car Profits video course for only $47. There's going to be people out there that are going to be pissed off that I'm revealing this information for so cheap, but really I don't care at this point. I want these strategies in the hands of as many people as possible because they can really, really take your affiliate business to the next level, or if you're just getting started, this will be the thing.
So there you have it, guys. Simple, authentic affiliate marketing course. So this guy is earned over 200,000. You've heard it for yourself. 200,000 US dollars in affiliate commissions. He's won the ClickFunnels Dream Car Challenge. He's a super affiliate. He did it using one of the most basic processes. Like he literally did it on a budget. Quit his job. His job was high paying, but he just had to quit it because everything that he was getting paid was being paid through his course that he was doing. So why this course? You have to note that you need to invest a little bit. This course is about $47. So I learned from Caris. He uses some proven methods by one of the industry's high affiliate earners. He's a Clickfunnels Dream Car Challenge winner. He's a 6-figure high-ticket affiliate commissions earner. This guy promotes some high-ticket commissions, guys. You can't earn $200,000 promoting basic $37, $100 USD commissions and earn that money. This guy probably promoting some other products that are around 1,000 to somewhere 3,000, 4,000 US dollars in commissions per sale, and that's not cheap, guys. That's not an easy process to promote high ticket items. You guys know it. You guys already into the affiliate commissions, you know how much work you have to put in to earn high ticket commissions. But this guy did it on literally with no email list, with just as little knowledge as possible, free traffic, no email list, on a budget. So for $47, this is a pretty steal, guys. It's a pretty steal for you to get the ball rolling. Then you can scale it up from there. I'm sure this guy, for him to get $200,000, he had to start from somewhere basic. Then he had to scale his business from the affiliate marketing money that he was making, and scaled his business up to a point where it was earning him now $200,000, $5,000 in a month, as we've seen on one of his ClickFunnels. $5,000 in 30 days, and he was able to quit his job. I mean, that's a steal, guys. So this course has strategies you can implement that can earn you up to $10,000 to $200,000, just like this guy has earned. All you have to do is rinse and repeat whatever you're going to learn from here. Don't sit on knowledge, guys. You gotta take the knowledge and you gotta implement the knowledge if you want to it to work out for you. So it is taught in the most basic, simplest ways anyone can implement these strategies. Even a newbie or a beginner affiliate marketing and start their online business. So if you're a newbie, you're just starting out, this course is for you. If you're struggling, this course is for you. If you're confused and with information overload, this will optimize you with strategies you can put in a spot to win. Lots of bonuses that can help you, guys. This guy gives you some affiliate products and ideas that you can promote, that can earn you some really good commissions. There are lots of bonuses. There are some free and effective traffic sources and trusted strategies that he implements. So he gives you free traffic sources and strategies on how you can implement on those traffic sources to earn you money and to drive traffic to your affiliate offers. It's as simple as that. Whatever you're promoting, use these strategies, you start seeing results. Easy to follow blog strategies to have high converting results, high earning ticket items to promote that no one else has tapped into. So this guy is promoting some commissions that I saw inside the course that are pretty much not being promoted anywhere else. Very few people doing this, and it's really a steal, guys. For this guy, it's really a steal. It's really, this course is cheap. I mean, $47. You buy a $47 course for a guy that's earned a life earnings of $100,000. This is recent. This was done on March 20th. That's when this screenshot was done. Today, this is just like 10 days ago. And this guy has earned that much money and gives you a course for $47 and you don't want to take it? No. I was like, there is no way. I have to take this course. I have to take this course. I had to buy this course. Let me show you. Let me go inside the members area and show you that I actually bought this course and I've actually been implementing whatever was taught in the course. Dream Car Profit. Welcome to Dream Car Profit. So this is inside the course, guys. I bought this course and I'm taking the strategies in here. So you get the Dream Car Profit strategies here. Bonus brand new strategies, multi streams of income, and resources in training. Whatever is using, he's literally put everything in here, guys. I've just done the first step and I'm already seeing results. Like, so I started promoting something on Warrior Plus. If we go to my Warrior Plus account, I want to show you guys this live so that you can know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna go to my dashboard and I'm gonna go to my where is that? My stats. Where is that? So you look at this. 2 days ago I was promoting this product and I've earned $23 from that. I was also promoting this other product and I've actually earned $13 from that. So when you look at the total that I've earned, this is like $37. This is $37 that I have earned. Let me go back. Dashboard, affiliate overs, transactions. Where do I find that? Sorry guys, I'm new to I'm new to Warrior Plus, so I don't really know how to get around dashboard. I don't really know how to get around. Oh yeah. So yeah, here it is. $37 that I've earned. I've earned $37, as you can see. So it's $37 that I earned on the 31st of March. That was Sunday. So I earned that with just literally just starting to implement whatever is taught in this course, and I'm already earning some commissions. So I'd advise you guys get the course. I'll leave a link in the descriptions. If you're happy and want to start earning, you guys can join the course and just take your time and implement whatever is taught. You eventually get to a point where you're earning money and making some commissions of this course. To, you know, everybody wants to live your life, want to earn an extra income. You want to quit your job, you want an extra income for that vacation, for whatever reason you have to earn an extra income. Guys, this is where you can start from. Affiliate marketing is the best way to start from. The initial investment is very low, but the long-term results and earnings are huge. So that's it, guys. Thanks very much for watching this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, you can leave a thumbs up, you can like and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more content, guys. I'll be pushing out more content. So thanks very much, guys, for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.